What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Guys, if you get any value out of this video, smash that like button, subscribe. We're going to go over Polygon. We came down to that $29, $30 level of support we dropped in yesterday's video. We saw a little bit of a bounce here. So currently we're down about 2.4% on the day. We're seeing our market cap 8.75 billion. 24-hour volume is 926 million. So guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 for free in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's jump into matic here. So we're going to start on the 1 hour time frame, as we like to do here on the channel. So I talked about us coming down to this $29. I said we're either going to see a little bit of relief bounce here, or we're going to see that come down to $29 and see a little bit of a bounce due to the RSI on the 1 hour. That's exactly what happened here. We actually saw a little bit of a bounce. We came down to $29, $30. And we saw a little bit of a bounce. Now, these bounces aren't very significant. The bulls simply aren't showing a lot of strength, especially here for matic. It was about a 6% bounce. If you're trading with leverage, it could be a 60% bounce. So if you want to learn to trade with leverage, check out my full link tutorial, sign up to Bybit. So guys, this head and shoulders pattern, we've currently broken underneath the neckline. I could drop it down a little bit, I guess, but you can see we're back testing the neckline as resistance. So the more we back test it as resistance, the higher likelihood that we're going to continue to see that roll over to the downside. Our technical target is down here at about $1. Let me drop a line in. Now, we may not come all the way down to $1. It is a strong level of support. We also have this previous swing high at $1.20. Remember, guys, the dollar in between that $1.20, $1.24 is that level of support resistance we've been covering on the channel for absolutely ages. If we go over to the 4 hour time frame, sorry guys, being a little bit lackadaisical today. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, we can see here we broke underneath the golden ratio. Let me open this up. And I said if we break underneath the golden ratio, there's a higher likelihood of us coming back down to where we started. And that's exactly what happened. And you can see here, if we do come down to the 1.272 extension, if we lose $1.29 as support and we don't bounce here, then $1.18, $1.20 is right near that 1.272 extension here on the 4 hour chart. Let's go to matic on the daily. So here we are on the daily chart, guys. So I had dropped in that $29, $30 level of support. We were breaking underneath the 20 EMA on the daily, and I said do target that $29, $30 as your next level of support, as it will find support along the 55. Now, if we do break down, guys, if we lose the 55 as support, we are having our bearish divergence, which is playing out as I have been predicting here. Then you have that $20 major level of support. That'll be your next crucial level for matic to hold. If it does lose that, that's when it can come down to that $1 range, which is right down in here. This level, this line of support. See all this major support in this area? Right at about $1. All right, guys, we're going to jump into Ethereum. What a huge pump for Ethereum yesterday. Bitcoin saw a bit of recovery, and Ethereum just absolutely soared all the way up. About 6%, almost about 5%. Now we do have a bearish divergence here with Ethereum. You can see we made a higher high, we made a lower high on the RSI. If we look at Ethereum quickly on the daily, so the more you hit resistance, guys, resistance, the higher likelihood that you're going to roll over. The bulls are losing strength. They can't push the price up. They can't break this level of resistance right around 33.34. We did create a little bit of a higher high, but look at the RSI, guys. Take this little line out here. I've been talking about this bearish divergence and how the RSI is dropping swiftly, and we just basically created a higher high. And look at the RSI, guys, significantly lower highs, signifying that we're going to see that correction. Now, that doesn't mean that ETH could pump just a little bit higher, but I do think we're going to correct and at least come down to the 20 EMA. And if we lose that level of support, do target 3,000. That's the major backtest of support that I'm targeting for Ethereum. That nice round number at 3,000. I do think there's a high likelihood of us coming down to that, just due to the fact of our bearish divergence here, and due to the fact that we're continually hitting this as resistance here. So we'll end the video with matic here. So do keep an eye on this head and shoulders. Could be a good short opportunity. We may not make it all the way down to our technical target, but we do have that major level of support here at $1.20. If we were to throw back here, guys, then your levels of resistance are here at $1.53. You have your previous swing high. Let me drop it in here. And then you have the 0.786 at $2. As long as we get rejected here by the EMAs on the 4 hour chart, we will see that continuation to the downside. The bulls would have to step up, break through the EMAs, if we're going to see that continuation. I still have a little bit of bias towards the downside, just due to the fact that Ethereum continues to hit this level of resistance, can't break through. with enough bullish volume, we have a strong bearish divergence here. And if we look here on the 1 hour time frame, we also have our bearish divergence right here on the 1 hour time frame as well. So do keep an eye on that, guys. Nice little green candle. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on social, sign up to Bybit, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.